Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the problem on how to fix the signing in problem in Android. So as you can see here, I have a problem with my Android phone that says no internet connection and I can't sign in. So we're going to be looking at how to fix that. So as you can see, if I go here and I go to my Google Play really fast, and if I check, Google Play also doesn't work, and it's pretty much everything that has to do with Google Play services is not working. This is one of the problems I had. I had other problems before where Google Play didn't work but everything else worked. This problem is it's different. It's where if everything doesn't work on Google Play services, anything, YouTube, Google Play, and as you can see there, my Google Play is up to date, so it's not the problem. So when I go to YouTube, as you can see, it also does not work. So here I'm launching YouTube app and let's let load, and it doesn't work. No connection, retry, obviously nothing's happening. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go to my settings, and I'm gonna check. I'm gonna show you guys that another problem is that you can't sign into any account. So if I remove it and add the account again, but this is what happens. So if I went to accounts, and if I try to add an account and go Google, and then if I type in all my info, and if I click sign in, you can see, if I go here, watch, everything looks fine, and check the info, and then this happens. You couldn't sign in. It's a problem communicating with the Google servers. And this is the problem I've been having. So if I go to this app that I provide you guys in the link in the description called Host Editor, if you go here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the two things that are available. I don't know how it's gonna be for you guys, but there should be two things, one called localhost and then the other one called android.clients.google.com. whatever that says. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on both of them. So as you can see, I did there. You're gonna click delete. You see the little trash can on the top right corner that says delete, and you're gonna delete both of them. I'm just showing you guys slower here so you guys can see. So you click delete, it removes everything. Right now, if we go back, if we check our account, so this doesn't matter, you leave this blank, you don't have to do a mess with this. So if we go back and we go to our account, so let me go back here. So see, if I go to Google Play, it's now working. As you can see, Google Play is now working, everything's functioning. And now if I go to YouTube, where it wasn't working as well, you can see it's all working. And if I even try to sign into my account, everything's fine. I can finally sign in, everything's solved. This is a problem I've been having for like a month. I just kind of ignored it. I didn't use Google Play Store. I just like, whatever, I didn't bother. All of my apps were, outdated. They couldn't update. Finally happy I found a solution. This is a really effective one, so I hope this guys works for you. There's the other solutions that you can do, which is to delete. I was gonna say the first one, like if you're not having this problem where you don't connect to Google Play services, what you can do is just delete your account and then put it back up. That should do everything fine. But in this case where I couldn't connect to Google Play services at all, you can just do this. If you don't feel like moving your account and doing it again, this is a good solution as well. It might work for that problem as well. Like if you're having only a problem with Google Play Store, then it'll work for that as well. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that solution, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.